In this video, I will show you how to find your wallet address on crypto.com. So this can be for any cryptocurrency. What you want to go and do first is open up the crypto.com app. All you need to go and do is click on deposit, then here select crypto, then here choose which cryptocurrency you would like to find your wallet address for. So for example, I'll just go with Bitcoin, but you can pick any of these, or you can click on the search icon in order to search a cryptocurrency. So after clicking on it, you need to select the network. So for Bitcoin, there's only one, which will be the BTC network. So select the network and make sure that for the network you select here, you select the same network on the wallet that you are sending the crypto from. But now here you will see your Bitcoin wallet address. Now for you this will be different, but you can just click on the copy icon and then you will have it copied. Now you will also see the estimated arrival time and the deposit arrival. So you also have a QR code that can be scanned if you would like to do that. But you can just follow the same exact process for any cryptocurrency. So now you know how to find your wallet address on crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.